Hi beauties, I just can't believe that we already in September 2019. That means the festival season started. We have only 6 weeks left to celebrate Diwali. For a start of this festive season, today I'm going to show you makeup tutorial for Onam festival. Onam is the biggest and most important festival of the state of Kerala, India, and it is national festival since 1961. Onam is actually a harvest festival. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to moisturize my eyes. I'm taking Dr.G Hydrate Intense Eye Cream and apply a generous amount of cream below my eyes. Next, for my face moisturizer, today I'm going to take Dr.G Aquasis Water Soothing Gel Cream. I apply on both of my face and neck area. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you will not miss any of my new poses. I post new videos related to makeup on every Sundays. As usual, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fashion Eyebrows palette and define my eyebrows. Personally, I like a gel or cream eyebrows palette. You can choose whichever is convenient and comfortable for you. Next, I'm going to clean up my eyebrows border with Fit Me Concealer in shade Leisure Light from Maybelline. Once done, clean up the eyebrow borders. I'm going to comb one more time. Next, I'm taking Mega Clear Brows and Lash Mascara from Wet n Wild and apply it on my eyebrows. I'm bringing down the same concealer to my eyes as my eye base today. And I'm using a small beauty blender to blend out the concealer. I repeat the same process on my another eye. Next, I'm going to set the concealer with little amount of L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder. You can use any loose or translucent powder. If you apply too much of loose powder to set the concealer, you might have difficulties to apply the eyeshadow later. We still need the stickiness of the concealer so that it would be easy to apply the eyeshadow, which is coming up next. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to do a classical look. First, I'm going to dip my flat brush with Wet n Wild Natural Finishing Setting Spray. I apply this gold eyeshadow on 2/3
Today
of my
I'm
eyelid.
using Revolution eyeshadow palette.
Next, I'm taking this brown color from the same palette and apply in a circular motion at the outer corner of my eyes and slowly bringing towards my inner corner. I just can't stop myself to finish my eye makeup without glitter, so I'm going to apply some glitter on top of the gold eyeshadow. This is heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay and I'm going to apply on top of the gold eyeshadow and spread it with my finger. I do the same on my other eye. To highlight my brow bones, I'm taking this white eyeshadow from Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette called Brightening Base. I'm going to have a thin and winged eyeliner today for this classical look. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Anti-Smudge Crayon Eyeliner. Moving to my face makeup, I'm taking my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving as my face primer. I apply it on my face and neck area as usual. This primer has silica and going to cover the pores on my face and gives a smooth surface for a flawless finishing. Next for my foundation, I'm taking Fit Me Matte Poreless in shade Gold Caramel, code 332. I apply it on both of my face and neck area and blend with a foundation brush. Just to share with you guys, this foundation is actually a medium coverage. If you would like to have full coverage, you can use your preference foundation. I'm going back to the same concealer which I used as my eye base to highlight my highest plane of my face. Next is contouring. I want to keep a minimal contour so that I can achieve a natural finishing today. To achieve that, I'm going with my Maybelline V-Shape Dual Stick. Once done with the contouring, now I'm going to bake my face with Benet Banana Powder. Make sure there is no crease line under your eyes before baking process. Otherwise, the powder will sit on those fine lines and make it more visible. Therefore, I'm going to blend under my eyes one more round to make sure there is no crease lines before baking. Probably you guys are wondering right now what is baking process, as I mentioned it in all my videos. Well, letting the translucent powder sit on your face for 5 to 10 minutes, which allows the heat from your face to set your base foundation and concealer, and then dusting it off your face, leaving you a creaseless, flawless finish. This process we called as baking. And not forget to apply the same powder on your neck area too. To bring back some warmth to my face, I'm going to apply some bronzer.
Today I'm going to use butter bronzer from Physician Formula. I'm taking the same bronzer to define my nose too. Next, for my blusher, I'm going for NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and apply this pink blusher. For a natural look, I'm using Pearl Mineral from Physician Formula as my highlighter. I apply it on my highest plane of my face. Before jump to my eye makeup, I apply the same banana powder under my eyes. It will help to catch any eyeshadow fall off and easy to dust it off without ruining the base makeup. Now I'm pressing the same brown eyeshadow from the palette which we used earlier under my lower lashes and going to blend with a blending brush. Next, I'm going to tighten up my lower waterline with Sephora Black Eye Pencil. Recently, I'm getting some messages and asking me if I'm forgetting to put on my fake lashes. To be honest with you guys, I'm not a big fan of falsie, but today I'm going to show you some tricks for a volume eyelashes. First, I'm going to curl my eyelashes before applying the first coat of mascara. Today I'm taking Silky Girl Big Eye Mascara. Before the mascara get dries, I'm going to curl my lashes one more time and apply my second coat. Generally, we already aware that we need to apply 2 coats of mascara. So guys, this is my trick to get a volume eyelashes without falsie. I apply the same mascara on my lower lashes too. For my lipstick today, I want a bright color. So I'm taking this bright pink color from Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And to set my makeup today, I'm using a natural finish setting spray from Wet n Wild. Behind camera, I have put on my bindi, sari and my accessories, and this look will not complete without the sandalwood or sandanam. I use a tiny eyeliner brush to get the precise look. So guys, this is the final look for my Onam 2019 celebration. If you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in my social media. I have provided all my social media link in the description box and also listed all the product I have used for this makeup tutorial in the description box for your convenience. Do share with me how you celebrate your Onam this year. So guys, we are already at the end of this makeup tutorial. I will see you next week with a brand new makeup tutorial.